When you want to add narration, labels, or descriptive text to your report, we simply use the button called Text Box up here in the ribbon. It's in the Insert group. When I click on Text Box, it immediately appears on my report canvas, and because I was sitting in the dashboard, that's also where it's gone. What I'll then type is World Demographics, a descriptive heading. Now what I can do is press Ctrl A to select all the text in that text box, and I can now use this particular toolbar here to choose a font size, etc. Now when it comes to fonts, it generally defaults to Segoe, and I'm not even sure if I'm saying that correctly. That is a good font to use because it actually is supported by a range of devices. So you don't want to use fonts that are too unsupported. Another one would be Verdana. Verdana is also a very commonly supported font on a variety of devices, but I'm going to leave mine on Segoe user interface. Now the other thing you can then do is you can choose a font size. It's currently 10, which is small for a heading, so I'm going to up it to 36. You've also got options like font color, and so you can choose whatever color you prefer. You've also got bold and italics and underlined and left and centered and right. So there's some formatting options there. I'm going to stretch the text box just by dragging it. And if I grab the bottom right corner, I can drag it up and in. Now notice at some point this little solid grey bar appears on the right hand side. What that's indicating is that you're not actually seeing all the text clearly in that text box, and that's because I'm cutting off the G. So as soon as I stretch it and that little solid bar disappears, I know I'm clearly seeing everything inside of that text box. And so that is how you add any descriptive text. Just add a text box.